Listen up, lazy geniuses. You keep scrolling, waiting for money to fall out of the sky, but here's the truth. With AI, it basically does. Today, I'm going to roast your excuses and hand you 10 side hustles so easy you could run them in your sleep. I'm Baby CEO, your hostile motivational speaker, and if you don't hit subscribe, you're basically telling me you prefer being broke. Let's go. Number 1, AI-generated recipe books. You're already cooking the same boring chicken and rice every night. Instead of crying about it, feed ChatGPT prompts like 30 high-protein meals for lazy people. Boom! Instant recipe book. Throw it into Canva, slap on stock photos, upload to Amazon KDP. Every time someone buys, you're eating, while getting paid for other people's dinners. Number 2, faceless YouTube channels. You spend hours watching TikTok drama compilations. Why not run your own? Use Pictory or InVideo to turn scripts into videos with captions, music, and B-roll. Post 3 a week, let ads pay you. It's literally monetizing your screen addiction. Congratulations, you're officially the laziest content mogul alive. Number 3, prompt packs for sale. You're already begging AI for business ideas. Package those prompts, call it Lazy Prompts 101, sell them for $19 on Gumroad. Other lazy people will pay you to think for them. You're basically an idea middleman. Number 4, print-on-demand merch. Slap sarcastic Baby CEO quotes on a t-shirt, too lazy to fail. Upload to Printful, connect to Shopify. You don't touch inventory, you don't touch shipping, you don't touch anything. The laziest part? When it sells, you don't even know until money shows up in your PayPal. Number 5, AI newsletters. Right? Nah. Let AI summarize trending business news daily. Package it as a lazy newsletter. 5 things you need to pretend you read today. Monetize with Substack subs or sponsor spots. Congrats, you're now a thought leader without thinking. Number 6, digital directories. Make a site like lazytools.io. Collect links to AI tools, automate descriptions, add affiliate links. Google loves long lists, lazy people love shortcuts, and you love recurring commissions. You're not building a site, you're building a vending machine for links. Number 7, social media templates. Everyone wants to look smart on LinkedIn, but types like a middle schooler. Sell AI-made Canva templates for posts, carousels, and tweets. Charge $27 for a pack. People pay to look clever. You get paid to click export. Pure laziness. Number 8, GPU rentals. This one's for the nerds with gaming PCs. You can rent out your GPU power overnight for people training AI. That means while you're drooling into your pillow, your graphics card is out there hustling harder than you ever have. Passive. Lazy. Beautiful. Number 9, MTG deck subscriptions. Gamers, you waste money on cards anyway. Package AI-built Magic, the Gathering Commander decks into a subscription. Drop 1 new deck PDF a week for $15 a month. You're not just lazy, you're monetizing your addiction. And yes, nerd money counts as real money. Number 10, AI business blueprints. Stop acting like every idea is a billion-dollar startup. Sell simple AI blueprints. How to start a faceless channel. How to build a lazy blog. How to automate your funnel. Bundle them into a membership at $47 a month. People will pay for the same PDFs you're giving away in your funnel right now. There you go, 10 lazy side hustles you can start today. Not tomorrow. Not when I'm ready. Today. You can keep scrolling, or you can join the lazy empire, where we actually make money while the rest of the internet is doom-scrolling TikTok. Link in bio. Grab the PDFs. Join the vault. Stop being broke. I'm Baby CEO, the only boss who'll roast you into building a business. See you inside.